We see billionaire at the top, but what if I told you their lives once looked nothing like this? What if I told you one billionaire washed dishes for $1 an hour? What if I told you another billionaire was homeless and had to sleep in the public bathrooms? What if I told you some of the richest people in the world were once rejected, humiliated, and laughed at? This is the truth they don't tell you about billionaires. The years of failures, pain, and struggle before success. Today we reveal the dark, shocking stories behind billionaires who went from nothing to owning the world. Imagine moving a new country with just $500 in your pocket. Imagine washing dishes for $1.20 an hour, working every day just to survive. That was the life of Shahid Khan, the billionaire owner of the Jacksonville Joggers. He was not born into wealth. He had no connections. He had nothing but a dream. For years, he worked tirelessly until he built Flex and Gate, a billion-dollar company. Today he owns a football team, our styling empire, and multiple global businesses. Your starting point doesn't matter. How hard you fight does. Imagine feeling your home country to escape war and arriving in a foreign land with no money, no English, and no help. Jan Koum, the billionaire founder of WhatsApp, once lived on food stamps. He and his mother survived a government aid, barely affording food. But John didn't give up. He taught himself coding, spent years working in silence, and eventually built an app that changed the world. In 2014, he sold WhatsApp to Facebook for $19 billion, becoming one of the richest men on the planet. It doesn't matter if you are broke today. If you keep learning and building, success will come. What if I told you a janitor, a gas station worker, or a dishwasher all become billionaires? Well, that was actually one person. Duan Chang, the founder of Forever 21, arrived in the US with no money and no job. He worked 3 jobs at the same time, sometimes sleeping on the floors just to afford rent. For 3 years, he saved every penny, and when he finally opened his first clothing store, it failed. But he did not stop. He learned from his mistakes, tried again, and built Forever 21, a fashion empire worth billions. Success doesn't come from luck, it comes from pushing through failure. Before Richard Liu became the billionaire CEO of JD.com, he was just a delivery boy riding a bicycle to drop off packages. He failed his first business. He lost all his money. He had to start over again and again, but he did not quit. While others saw problems, he saw opportunities. He took his small business online, and in just a few years, JD.com became one of the biggest e-commerce companies in the world, worth billions. Every failure is a step closer to success if you refuse to quit. Not all billionaires come from technology or businesses. Rihanna, the music icon, grew up in a broken home in Barbados, surrounded by poverty and struggle. She was told she never make it. She was doubted, but she did not let their circumstance define her. She turned her music career in a global empire, launching Fenty Beauty, which became a billion-dollar brand. No one is going to hand you success. You have to create it. Do you see the pattern here? They were not lucky. They were not born rich. They did not have shortcuts. They faced rejection. They faced failure. They faced pain. But they never gave up. And that's the difference between the success and failure. Are you willing to work when no one believes in you? Are you willing to push forward when you have nothing? Are you willing to sacrifice comfort for greatness? Because if you are, your billionaire journey starts today. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest dream? Hit that like button if this video inspired you. Subscribe because the journey to success is just beginning. The billionaire of today were once nobody, but they made one decision to never stop fighting. With you, your time is now.